Here we go, guys. I got to keep it low because if I get too loud and when you listen to this, it sounds like I'm hollering. So I don't want that to be that. Okay, so here we go. I will go ahead and put my name up here as Queen. And the period is 6. Today is my sister's birthday. Oh, y'all see what I put on there? Is that date correct?
No, it's 2013.
Yes, it's 2013. Okay, so let me correct this. Sorry, I had to jump up and get that door. Okay, here we go. Guys, here's this a line and this a line, okay? So I need, if I'm going to write it, the slope-intercept form, if I'm going to write it as y equals mx plus b, I need to know the slope and I need to know the y-intercept. So that's the first thing I need to do. So here, if I'm looking at this, what is this intersection here for the y-intercept? What is the y-intercept here for that line? And the origin, what is that point?
0, 0.
So, okay, so we know that's 0, 0. So for this, I know my y-intercept is just 0, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to have nothing in this position. However, I need to know the slope. And to know the slope, all I do is rise over run. You told me that yesterday. So I'm going to go up 1, up 1, up 1. What's the slope?
1 y equals x.
Oh, okay, should have gave me the equation. She said it's just going to be y equals x. You're correct. The slope is 1. So this line right here is y equals x. That is our parent function for lines. Okay, that's the linear parent function. So go ahead and write down that y equals x for this one. Okay, so now this next one, where does it cross the y? Well, about where does it cross the y? Right there. So if I go up, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, or 6. Okay, so now I know for this one right here, I know I got y equals, I know it's going to be x plus 5.5, about, we're estimating it. But I still need to know the slope. Okay, so for the slope here, you know, I'm going to start. I'm going to go, let me find some nice points. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this point. And y'all, I can't see another point good. Right here. I'm going to use that. It's going to be an estimate. So I'm going from here to here. So I go up how much? 1, then I'm going over 1, 2, 3. So what is that? 1/3. Okay. Even though it's an estimate, and since I made copies, it's thrown off. In some cases, it depends on where you're at. Some may think it's 1/4, but it's thrown off a little. Okay. Because of this, when you make copies of things, it throws it off. Just FYI. Some of you may say, well, no, I got 1/4. Some may say, I got a 6. Well, if you got 1/4 for you, write 1/4. If you got 6, because yours is exactly on 6, you put 6. Because that's your paper, and when you make copies of things, it changes it sometimes. Okay? So now I have my functions. So, y equals x, and y equals 1/3 x plus 5 and 5/10. Now here, what is the intersection first of all? 8, 8. So the intersection, the point of intersection, which is the solution, is 8, 8. So since we don't have no times here, that could have helped us. Okay, that could have helped us because you know what we could have done? We could have said this was time, and if you're running track, because this track season, right? So just say this was about running track. Look, Laura said, oh, okay, I like this. So what would this be? It'll be time and what? Time, a distance. Okay, right. So we got the distance and time. So now, who's the slower runner? This right. Okay, yeah, this person is the slow runner. You don't want them on. If you relay racing, you don't want that person on your leg, right? You want that person, but you would like the y equals x because that person run faster. Okay, because 1/3 is less than 1. The slope here is 1. So that one, I can run real fast. You probably don't. Huh? Yeah, boy, you should see me in my dream. I kick dust. Okay? Yes. And I'm not pretty. Okay. So if this was about track, if you're talking about running track, what does the intersection mean?
The sign they were at the same point at the same time.
They was at the point at the same time. That's where they met on the track. Is that what you said, Laura? What did you say? What did you say, Kathleen?
I said that's where they're the same miles at the same time.
Okay, the same mile at the same time. Okay, you see that? So you see what I mean? So you know that's where they cross each other. Then all you know, they was at that same point at that same time. And then all you know, oh boy here, I'm saying boy, y equals x just took off. Just go. I guess that was Adrian.
What?
No, I got you running faster. Yeah, this Adrian, and this is Ryan.
Oh, that's you right there.
No, that's Ryan. Okay? So that was the warm-up for today, guys.